With Conour Manufacturing, every time we feel like we've upped the game and we've dialed something in, I continue to be that bottleneck. I continue to be that little hang up in that system. So we've already invested in the hardware for the automation side. Now Toolpath is just coming full circle and closing that loop with the software side of automation and just utilize my time in a more efficient manner. Hi, I'm Shawn. I'm with Conour Manufacturing. We're located in Central California. We're a job shop machine shop. I'm a second generation machinist. I grew up in this machine shop. My father's been a machinist his entire life. And so we're here, we've got fifth axis now, and we're just machining cool parts. When it comes to interfacing with customers, we're the problem solver. Being able to quickly answer any questions, concerns they have, getting them a price, getting them a lead time, getting them those things as quickly as possible is key to maintaining a healthy relationship. With Toolpath, I'm leveraging Fusion more efficiently because of the tool libraries, because of those cut configs that I had to set up. It like forced my hand to do the thing that I knew I should have been doing the whole time. And so that really just unlocked more productivity. With automation on this robo-drill, it's insane what kind of stuff we can unlock. So for example, we made some small little 6-minute cycle time parts, made 1,500 of them. The machine ran perfectly for 144 hours, right? So in less than 7 days, we're cranking out 1,500 parts. And it's just wild to see what we can do here in America and how efficiently we can run and operate. It's a fact. We don't have enough people. We don't have enough skilled labor, right? So as Conour Manufacturing grows, as manufacturing in America grows, Toolpath is growing, Fusion is constantly growing. It's a hand-in-hand thing. So then we'll be able to use that, leverage that with the automation in the shop to just keep up and to stay relevant. The whole, rising tides lift all ships, right? So we have a bigger building that we're currently remodeling that we can move into, that we can execute on for clients, like more equipment, more machines, more automation, and just really bringing back that manufacturing culture to America. I'm excited to get some young kids in here and teach them how to build things. Having a tight-knit team at Toolpath that's updating us, keeping us up to date on what they're rolling out is essential, and it's just getting quality parts out the door.